All right.
Okay, ready?
Good job.
It's all the pumpkin pie space.
Eddie!
Yay.
Oh, the sink.
In the sink. Good job.
At the
Alright.
baby sister on.
That's a baby sister one. Is that a little spoon?
Where are in here?
Yeah.
Aha! Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Are you going to help Amy mix the cake?
Amy's hair is looking crazy as she in these pictures.
Sorry, Amy. It looks good to me.
Uh-oh. Why is this not turned on? Whoopsies!
Why
plugged
isn't
in?
it? Yeah, it's plugged in.
Oh. Oopsie.
Oh, Ames, you have to use the extension cord. I forgot to tell you that thing doesn't
Oh.
work. That's why I got the extension cord for you.
Okay.
Oopsie.
Oopsies.
Alright. Now we're ready.
Are you helping Amy? Good job. Good job. That's so fun. You're mixing. All right. Good job, Daniel. Are you mixing? Wow, making a cake. That's so fun making a cake with Aunt Amy.
Is that cool? And all the ingredients mixed together. It's gonna be tasty.
What are you making, Daniel? Cake. Is it a little cake? No. A big cake, that's right.
Are we all done? Alright. You want to taste it? No, because it tastes different than the pumpkin thing. It doesn't taste like that. It tastes different. You want to taste it? Here. You want a little taste? Is it good?
Is that good cake?
Yeah.
All right.
Is that going to be a yummy cake when it's all done? Alright, where's the cake pan?